So, shall I like recap what we have discussed last time or just continue?
Definitely do the recap so that it will be memorized for me.
Okay, okay. I'll just quickly recap. Okay, I'll not go.
Because I am a very slow learner.
Sorry?
Because I am a very slow learner.
Okay, okay. No worries. Let me just connect this mic, separate mic, so that you will be able to hear me properly.
Yes.
Fine. Am I audible now properly?
Yeah. You are audible to me properly.
Okay. So
My
basically,
voice is clear to you or not?
yes, it is very much clear.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So I'll just quickly recap what we have discussed last time. So this is the recording option. I'll not go through each and every one in a detail, but I'll just go through on the writing part and all. Okay. So this is the pen we can use for writing, highlighter, eraser, and the geometrical tools like ruler, compass, protector. Then the text recognition and math recognition feature. So text recognition was like your free handwriting will get converted into a actual text format. Okay. Then we can add another pages here. From here we can change the background of the page, like the white color, green color, black color accordingly. Then these are the shape tools we discussed. Then we discussed this import media wireless feature, like you can upload your documentations wirelessly from sitting anywhere in the globe.
Yes.
Then we discussed this 3D modeling.
Mm-hmm.
Then we discussed this 3D modeling that day, like it was not working, not installed. The latest softwares we today I'll install the latest software, so I'll just show you the 3D modeling shapes and all. So what this will do, it will give you 3D shapes of that particular things. Like for example, you want to teach about the digestive system or about the flower plants 3D shapes you want or solar system you want to explain to your students. You just click on that option, it will give you a 3D view of your solar panel. Okay. Now you can use your one finger to rotate it, you can use two fingers to zoom in out. Okay. And now
Fine.
You want to highlight some part or you want to like only wants to show like Earth, Jupiter, Mars, like particular like panel like solar panel you wants to show, you can just hide others, so the only that particular thing will be visible. Now you want to highlight, you want to write something on top.
Filtration. It means it will do the filter.
You can say the filter, but it will like hide that particular part.
That's the same thing. That's the same thing.
Yes, correct. So if you want to highlight on this, you can just use a pen color and you can write it like Saturn and all, whatever that this planet is. Okay.
Great.
Then we'll go back again on the home page. So apart from this solar thing, bio thing, we have chemistry and mathematical things also. So you can utilize that continuously. We are updating this from the backend.
Can you
You don't
take
need
please some any topic related to math, because I'm a math teacher, so it will be much better for me to understand the things.
Okay. So basically, like we are updating these things on the backend, so you don't need to update again and again. By default, it will get updated on the panel.
But we need to connect it with the net.
Yes. Internet is required
to be updated regularly.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
So right now we have 3D shapes for this. So I can just zoom in out and I can just
that cylinder.
Yeah, cylinder, and if you want a circle, I can just go with this circle part as well. If you want to hide other parts, again you can just do from here. It will be only visible to that one thing.
Fine.
Now I can use my fingers to highlight and I can just wants to write something on it. So I can just use a lighter color. So it will be right. So you can the diameter and other things also.
Got it, got it, got it.
So apart from this, we have other things as well. So for maths, like just you want, I wants to show you because you are a maths teacher, so you can utilize that thing. And for chemistry also we have, and physics also we have. So you
Though
can.
I'm a principal here,
Okay.
hello.
Yes.
Though I'm a principal here, but basically my subject is maths.
Okay. That's great. Then for small kids, like you have class LKG, UKG, or first to third and all. So we have this active learning feature. What this will do, it will give you some game type of thing so that small kids can play a game and they can learn as well. It's not only for, I'll just mute this. So here it is not only related to the gaming part, but as per the game, you can learn as well. So for example, you want to do the spellings, guess the fruit, guess the object and insect, and guess it. And then here additionally, you can add it some things you wants to do, right? So you can search it here and you can like do that as well. Now, for example, I want to guess the fruit. So here it is asking, it is giving me the picture. Now I want to put this thing to here. Uh, right now it will give me the complete record of it, how much marks I scored, and like it is giving me a UI like layout. The students got like they have completed and they won the match, right? For the same thing we have for maths as well. So as you are a maths teacher, so here we have this
Yes,
maths easy, medium,
great.
and hard. So you can choose the difficulty level. Now two students
Okay.
can stand side by side, team A and team B, and here the time will be running so that like student will play and they will like you can do as a competition. So who will first, team A or team B, right? So they can
Right,
just
right.
do here there the multiplication division, and some other things also will come, right? So let me just go back from here again. Okay. Then then the next part we have the PHET. The PHET last time I explained you the interactive simulations, right? So you can do the live experiment type of things. So for maths also we have chemistry. I think last time I showed you. So chemistry, like you can add chemicals, things and all. For maths also we have this graphs and
You told me about.
yeah. So for maths, the graph things and all you can use, and some other parts also will be there. So last time I think some other thing I choose. Now I'm choosing this y equals to mx plus c. So if you increase and decrease the x and y's value, it will give you the coordinates. So accordingly, like you can just put this here and it will give you a actual coordinates what it's coming. Now you wants to show y equals to, if y equals to x, then where the line will go, like this green line. Y equals to minus x, y equals to minus x, then how the lines will be there. And here it is giving you the formula as well. Like this line, what this line is indicating. You wants to highlight or wants to share this, you can just click on this camera option. We'll take a screenshot. Will get pasted on the backend.
Great.
You can highlight on this screen and you can share this with your students later part as well. Right? Then we were having this curtain feature. So it wants to explain line by line or part by part. So you can just use this also. Or the spotlight, you wants to only highlight this coordinate. You don't want to highlight the whole thing. Only this coordinate you wants to highlight. You can use this spotlight to highlight that particular area.
Fine, fine.
Then, for example, you are asking your students to give your answer within 10 seconds or 15 seconds. You can use this stopwatch to like calculate whether they are able to give you the answer in 10 minutes or 10 seconds. Then these things we covered last time. Now I'll explain you what the best part we have in this Bright class. So this is our Bright AI feature. What this will do, it will help you to create the content or the data as per the topic or the grade level you are choosing. So for example, I want to like generate data for algebra. Complex numbers, algebra of complex numbers. I can just select the grade as well, class 10th, class 12th or 11th. Okay. Now I can choose the desired outcome. So you need to give like what type of outcome you want from the AI, knowledge based, skill based, attitude based and all. Then from here you can choose the language. If you want to convert that language into a, like you want data in Hindi or in some other language. So it supports your 75 languages or 78 languages to convert it. It doesn't mean like you have to choose here itself. You can change it later as well. I'll just show you that too. We just click on generate. It will take minimum very less time, hardly 5 seconds or 10 seconds to create the data and give it to you. You can just scroll it down and here you can see the data is getting generated. Now I can just click on this insert. It will add my whole data on the backend. So with the text, some quizzes, videos and images also will come. Or I can add this thing as well. Okay, so here it is showing, please wait, the content is importing behind. So just wait for a second. It is generating and then it will get added on the back. Okay. Now, if you want to download this whole data in the form of PPT, so we have the option called download PPT. So just click on that. It will create a PPT as per the topic you have chosen. Will give you the in the form of like slides. Later, if you want to edit, you can edit that as well, and you can like just go through on that whether the content is accurate or not, because the AI is generating. You have to just go through a while so that you will be able to know like where the which point is mentioned. Right? It got downloaded in the system. I can add it from the file manager. Next thing, we have the quiz option. So for example, you taught your lesson. Now you want to take a quick question answer session from the student side, whether they are understanding your point, what you are explaining. I can just click on the talk summary. So what this is giving, this is asking like the question you want to generate, which is related to what? Like it will be a remembering thing or the apply like formula you have to apply and all. Right. So I can just choose these two. And difficulty level, you can select easy, medium, hard, MCQ based question I want to generate. Then click on generate. It will immediately give you the equations based questions, because I clicked on apply. So it is understanding, okay, the student has to apply some formula so that they can answer it, the questions, right? So that's why it is giving me in the form of equations. I can just click on insert and my question is here. Great. Right? Now, for example, as I said, you can like translate it later as well. So here we have this translate option. So you can see this is stars. Just click on this star. It will give you a translate option. You can change the language from here. Or other things, you want to chat with AI. You want some additional content as per this question, or you want to generate few more questions, right? So here you just click on the chat. The AI will help you to get the answer of that question as well. Okay. Then we have this summarize. So for example, you want the summarize of the text. It's a very huge text, or 10-15 lines are there. You want to summarize in 2 lines or the 3 lines. So it will summarize your question as well. And the text as well. Plus it will summarize your video as well. I'll show you that part also. Then generate more quizzes, right? So if you want to generate some more quiz as per this question only, so you can just click and generate quiz. It will give you that option as well. Now you want the answer from the student side, how they will give you the answers and how they can record it. So if and the student are sitting in the classroom, they can raise their hand, they can come and write the answer, or they can write in their notebook. Correct. But you have to evaluate it one by one. Correct. With this option, live quiz, it will give you a feature that you can use like automatic evaluation part. So what this will do, it will give you one QR code.
What is automatic evaluation? It will complete. It will evaluate the things what the student has done or not.
Yes. So basically, here you can see the question type it is asking, multiple choice or this Q&A session or a poll. So you can just select that number of options, how many you are giving, 3, 2, 4, and then click on create. So what this will do, it will give you a QR code. Your student are sitting in the classroom or they are joining live class. So you can like get the answers from those students as well. Or like you are uploading this video somewhere, like for example in YouTube. So you will not be able to understand like which student is giving what answer. Correct. You have to like take a proper pen and paper, and you have to write the roll number. Student needs to write in the paper and then submit it. Correct. But with the help of this QR code, student can just scan, and this will get open in the browser. You don't need to download any software. Enter the student name and their contact detail and just click on continue. Options will come. Just select the option, right option, and submit it. Once you submit, your student data will be visible here. So in the form of percentage. Now
who has done the correct or who has not? Can we get a customized list also?
Yes, of course. So here you can see export as a PDF. So when you click on export as a PDF, it will download the whole data. So the data will be visible in the form of a student name. Firstly, it will be a question and options, then student name, their contact detail, and the answer they have chosen.
Okay.
Which is right, which is wrong, which is right, which is wrong. That also it will evaluate and give you the proper report of it. Okay. Then next feature we have this live class. As I said, we have integrated live classroom feature, that is Bright Class Connect. Plus, if you are using this Zoom, Teams, Meet, that also you can add your this meeting ID and password in this application, and directly you can connect from here. So you don't need to like download any application and all. Directly you can connect from the Bright Class application itself. Okay. So when you go, I'll just show you our Bright Class. So what this will do, it will give you the side window. Here you will be able to see your video, your students' video, and in the collaboration part, there's a very interesting thing. Here you can ask your.
Will you please show something that how can we connect it with the video of a student and our video which we have shared?
It is loading. It is loading. It is not sharing. So this is the main, this is the best part and main part. So here we are giving this Bright Class application to the students. What they need to do, they need to just join on the particular class. Okay. So here you can see this live class is going on because I clicked on the live. So student will get notification and they need to just click on that application, the lesson, and they will directly connect live. Okay. I'll not join the audio, otherwise it will give you an echo. So here the teacher's video will be visible. I'll just right now I'm not connected the cameras, but when you connect the camera, your video will be visible here. Okay. The same thing for student also, their video and teacher's video will be visible on this black area.
Fine.
Now, here you can see there is no option for writing. So for example, you are giving a one question to the student, like x square plus y square, what it will be. Okay. You can see it is showing what is right, like teacher is writing on the board with the name. Now, student,
as a math student, it will be x plus y to whole square minus 2xy.
Yes. So student needs to give this answer. No. What I'm trying to say, the student needs to give this answer in the writing. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Physical student can come on the board and they can write, but the student are joining live from other location. They will not be able to write. Correct. So here we are giving this collaboration feature. The student will join your class live. Their name will be appearing on top. Just click on this allow collaboration. Pen icon will come. Just click on this pen icon. Now students device will get this pen options. Okay, I can write on this screen. Okay, now teacher can see like who is writing and what they are writing. I am not sharing my
Okay.
screen. This is the best part. Like I'm not sharing my screen. It is a collaborative screen.
Great.
Here student's name will also be visible.
Got
Like
it.
who's writing. So for example, you are giving writing permission for 2 students. How you will get to know like who is writing what? Correct.
Right.
So because of that, we are giving the student's name also so that teacher can see like who is writing. Okay. Now I can revoke this writing access from my portal, so a student will not be able to write it again. So it's a like we are giving full responsibilities to the teacher so that they can manage their class how they want to manage. Okay. Let me just end this class. So when I end this live class, it will give you a summary like duration of the class and number of students were present on the classroom.
Is there any recorded version of this live class?
Recorded version live? Yes, of course you can
record?
record this. Yes. So here we have this recording option, right? So just click on this recording option. It will record your screen, and from here it will record the video and the audio also. But for that you need to connect your camera and microphone.
Because sometimes we need to refer it for further purpose so that we can reuse the same topics or same video for further reference.
Exactly. We have the recording option. You can record the screen plus audio and video. Okay. Then next we have the share option. So what this will do, it will ask teachers to like how many pages you wants to share. So for example, I added 5 number of pages. I wants to share this whole file with the student. I can just click on export all pages. It will convert my all pages in the PDF and give you a scanner like QR code. With the help of that, you can download it directly. Doesn't matter the students is available in the classroom or not. Link will come. You can share that link and code. So every file will give you a unique code. So with the help of that, the student can download the data. Or you can, when you go live, the file will get automatically published with the student who are registered on the platform or you are registering on the institute. Okay. So here you can see it is showing like uploading on cloud. Now you can scan this QR and file will get downloaded on the phone or in your laptop where you want to download it. Then we have this speech mode. So what this will do, it will minimize your features. So you will get more bigger area to write on the board. And if you want to access some other features, you can just deactivate it or you can just click on the down. So the all features will be here. Okay, this is the teach mode so that teacher can get more area to write on the screen.
More space for to teach.
Yes. Okay. Any question in this whiteboard options?
No, nothing. Everything is clear.
Fine. Now I'll go back on the main dashboard. So here you will be able to see this is assignments options. So from here you can create assignments and submit with the students so that they can or you can give the homework as well. Right, so it will get automatically graded as well as if you want to grade. So you want the student can write in a pen and paper and they can click a photo and upload it. That is also possible. You can do that as well. So I'll just click on the create assignment, give the name. Okay. So when you click the name, here it is asking to add questions. So the same platform you can access from your laptop as well. It doesn't mean like you have to do from the panel itself. You can access the same portal in your web browser or in the application and you can create the assignments and all from there itself. Okay, so here we have this multiple choice option, multiple selection, true, false based text type, picture, and AI question generator as well. So the quiz we were creating inside the whiteboard, that also you can add in the assignment option.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll just click on this generate AI question generator. So you can see the same portal you will get here, the options, and you can generate it from here itself. Now, if you add some questions, we have a print option as well. So if you want the question paper in the form of paper, like in your hard copy,
print out,
you can directly give a print command. Yes, yes. You can directly give a print command to print from the printer. Then we have this courses option. So what this courses is doing, it is giving you a self-study like material type of things. So for example, you are like thinking, it will give you a self-study course. So you can upload some additional data, like additional videos, additional text format thing, or a quizzes or a question answers, so that student can go home and they can do the self-study from their own.
Okay.
Then we have the repository.
This, as a recapitulation.
Correct. Also, here we have this repository. So for example, you want to share some additional data, ebook you want to share, or you have recorded the video, and that video you want to share with the student. So you can upload your repositories here. And
so we can add as a teacher or as a student?
You can add as a teacher, and the student will also be able to see the same thing from their platform. Okay. So here we can add the videos, we can add the PDF or whatever like you want to add, you can upload. Then we have the student option. So in the students, you can take the attendance. You can take the attendance of the student. The student's name will be visible. You have to just like click on the absent options and the present options.
Okay. So in the live class or something else? During the live class or
for live class or regular classes also you can take.
Okay.
So here the student's name will be visible. Here you can see take attendance, or you want to download the whole report of the month, like the number of classes they have attended, and here
so this is a little bit portion of ERP also.
Yes, exactly. So it is solving your ERP issues as well. So you don't need to go for multiple vendors for the ERP part.
Yes. That's I'm asking.
Yeah. So here other things, we have a scheduler. So you can schedule your timetable, your like classes, other things. So here you can
assignments, quiz. We can schedule the quiz assignments.
Correct.
And the student will be notified or not?
Yes, they will get notification of that as well.
Okay. By messages or by WhatsApp? In which way?
No, it will come from our like Bright Class application, or when you add your email IDs, it will give you a mail.
Okay.
Or yeah, you want to share some broadcast things and all, and you want to share the information from WhatsApp. So you can download the WhatsApp in the panel, and you can directly copy paste the link there itself and just send it. Okay. So any questions, any things you want to ask? This is our whole platform, what we are giving with the Bright Class, with the flat panel.
In a single word, it's a fantastic tool.
Thank you so
much. As a teacher. Because how much I could understand, that is so much fabulous. It is reducing our efforts more than 50%. It will reduce our efforts. If we can judicially use it, if we can properly use it, it will definitely reduce our efforts.
Exactly. That's why we are giving all these features, so that teachers don't need to put their more of the effort for creating the content and all, right? That will
one more thing I want to ask. All the features you have shown to me, is it available in all the products, or it is specifically or customized?
No. So this will come by default with the panel.
Okay, all the models, all the
products. Yes. Application is same. Okay. Bright Class application you will get with every product.
Okay.